Watch this video to the end and say goodbye to those oily and soggy fries. On this video, I'm going to give you tips on how to fry crispy chips and also spicy using air fryer. And I'm also going to take you through how to make this homemade Ukwajo Chutney. If you want to know how I made it, keep watching. Well, I will start by prepping my potatoes. These are Irish potatoes. I will use this potato peeler to peel it. I like peeling my potatoes. That way, when cleaning them, I'm sure of removing the excess starch. If you prefer your fries with jackets on, just go ahead and clean the outer part. Tip number one, when peeling potatoes, always ensure you have some bowl of water where you can drop your potatoes once you peel them. As you continue with the rest, lest it will turn brown, and we don't want that. And this will continue until all the potatoes are peeled. Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another amazing video. So if you're new in this channel and you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, like the video, and watch the video up to the end. Press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Once done, clean the potatoes and discard that water and add a new clean water and let the potatoes sit in that water. As you're going about cutting them into your desired shape, I'm going to use this potato cutter, which will give me the same size of potato. And when it comes to French fries, I prefer this size. So on that note, I'm going to give you tip number two. It's always important to cut your potatoes evenly. Let your potatoes be on the same size. If you prefer the thin ones, let them all be thin so that they can cook at the same time. As you know, the thin ones will cook faster, leaving the medium ones halfway cooked. Once done, tip number three, rinse your potatoes well to remove the excess starch. Clean until the water is no longer cloudy. Like this, the water is clear. Tip number four, blanch your potatoes. Transfer your potatoes in a sufuria. Fill the sufuria with clean water to cover the potato chips. Add salt and vinegar. I like to season my chips before frying it. That way I don't get to eat raw salt. Did I mention vinegar contributes to crispiness? Yes. Blanch it on a medium high heat for about 10 minutes. When it's about to start boiling, remove it. Don't let it boil. Then discard the water as you strain your blanched potatoes. Then let it sit in the colander for about 2 minutes to drain the water. Tip number five, transfer it in your tray and spread it. Let the potato cool down and dry completely. You can as well pat them using kitchen towel or paper towel to remove the excess moisture. I will add turmeric, paprika, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, and also cornstarch in a small bowl and mix them together before adding them into my potatoes. This is how my potato is right now. It has cooled down and it's not fully cooked, as you can see. So I'm going to transfer them to a mixing bowl. Tip number six, use a bowl to toast your potatoes. Make sure your bowl is dry and drop your potatoes in there. Then go in with your seasoning and toast your potatoes. These are mixed spices I mixed earlier. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Spices will take your chips to a different level. Ensure all the spices are distributed evenly. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing. Help me grow this channel. Thank you. Next, I'm going to crush in my garlic. I prefer using garlic powder for this recipe. Unfortunately, mine got finished, so I have to use what I have. So if you have garlic powder, just mix it together with the spices. Like I mentioned, we are using air fryer. Air fryer uses a little oil or no oil. I've just added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and I'm going to toss it. My oil seems not enough. I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon. I find it easier to toast the potatoes in a bowl rather than using an air fryer. This way they will not break and even the spices will be evenly distributed. Once done, transfer them in your air fryer basket. Just put a little, don't fill the basket. Give the room for the air to circulate while frying and set your air fryer to 180 degree and we'll fry them for 20 minutes, an interval of 10 minutes, then again alternate for another 10 minutes to ensure it's evenly cooked. Well, I will go ahead and prepare my tamarind chutney as I wait for my french fries to get ready. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. I've chopped them roughly. I have some tamarind juice, tomato, green chili, onions, and some dhania. And I'm going to transfer them into my manual chopper and finely chop them. This is another version of tamarind chutney, though this is very simple. On this one, we're not going to cook it, just going to blend it, then you mix with tamarind juice and serve it just like that. I've done a video of hot sweet sour tamarind sauce. If you haven't watched the video, I will share the link below so that you can watch it. 10 minutes is over and my french fries are not fully cooked, so I'm going to remove it and shake it a little bit, then return it back to the frying basket and give it another 10 minutes and let it cook completely. Back to my ukwajo sauce, I will season it with salt. I'd forgotten the salt though. Then give it a good mix. I love the coarse texture, so I'm not going to blend it smooth. So this is how I like it. If you like a smooth paste, you can go ahead and continue blending it. As for me, this is okay. I'm going in with tamarind juice and I'm going to mix it. And again, I love it a little bit thick. This is how I like it. And we are done here. And it's ready to be served. And you can serve it along with some bhajia, viazi karai, samosas, or even french fries. If you love the savory dish, you can add this sauce in your menu. And my french fries are ready. Look at it, so lovely, good looking, crispy, and you can even hear the sound. So I'll just plate it and go ahead and enjoy it along with tamarind chutney, aka ukwajo. Look at it, very crispy from outside and inside is very soft. The chips is very yummy, so flavorful, and when you top it up with this ukwajo, I tell you, so yummy. You can try this recipe at home, follow each and every step, and you'll get the best french fries. If you don't have a air fryer, deep fry them in your hot oil and enjoy it with your family. And if you happen to try this recipe, don't forget to bring back your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video up to this point, and if you are new in this channel and you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video, and I hope to see you in my next. Bye bye.